The 2009 fortwo. The Smart fortwo is a rear-engine two-seater manufactured by Smart GmbH. This smart car leads a new trend for smaller, more efficient combustion vehicles for busy city traffic and daily commutes, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, passenger airbag, power windows, remote power door locks, privacy glass, convertible occupant rollover protection, power heated outside mirrors. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.